Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited to try out this NYX Wonder Stick Dual-Ended Face Shaping Stick. This is kind of an innovative product from what I've seen out there, but it makes so much sense. It's a cream contour on one side, a cream highlighter on the other, and I picked this up at Walmart. It cost $12 at Walmart, I believe. And I got it in the shade Fair, but I think this does have a pretty good shade range for a contour highlight product. I think there's 8 different shade variations that you can get. This product is also cruelty-free and vegan. And my face right now could definitely use some more dimension, some contouring, highlighting. So hopefully I can transform my look quickly and easily with this product. It seems so convenient. Maybe I'll start out with some swatches. So we've got the twist up, contour. See, this is how much you get in it, by the way. Contour side. Ooh, that looks like a great contour shade because I want my contour shade to look like the color of a shadow so that it looks like natural, contour. And then the highlight shade, ooh, yes, this has some like shine to it. Exact same twist up size. Really pretty, like a champagne glow. I feel like if I ever have tried out a contour highlight product before, the highlight is not shimmery, and I prefer a shimmery, pearlescent, metallic highlighter. And that's what this is. It's not a glittery highlight, but more of that metallic shine, and this is exactly what I like. This seems very promising. So here are those swatches. The highlight is actually a little bit hard to see, but I think that's a good thing. I'd rather it be close to my skin tone. So I think I'll go ahead and just start with half of my face so that we can compare the difference. So starting with the contour side, I always like to contour along the hairline of my forehead. And then I used to contour below the cheekbone, but lately I've been going more on top of the cheekbone. Oh, this has such a lovely creamy feel. And then along the jawline, kind of right along it is where I like to go. And we'll start out with that much. And then before I even blend it out, the instructions say to draw it on and then blend. Flipping over to the highlight side, definitely got to highlight the under eye, upper cheek area. Let's go for a little brow and inner corner highlight. Why not? This I'm just going to quickly blend out with my finger since it's a small area. Very pretty. Do the forehead, the nose, center of the face pretty much. And I'm going to try blending that with my sponge. That's my preferred method, but maybe on the other side I'll use a different technique. But let's see how it does. Seems to be blending out really nicely right away. I love how creamy it is. And like the perfect amount of pigment so that it still looks like natural. It's really melting into the skin, which is awesome. But I like how this blends out with the sponge. It's very quick and easy. Wow, that's a great jaw contour. It really chisels out the jaw, but looks so natural. Whoa, what a difference. Look at my jaw with it versus without it. Wow, I love the texture that this leaves on the skin. It leaves like a hydrated, kind of dewy glow. Wow. And so with it versus without it, the very natural definition, and like my face looks more lifted, but it's almost like you can't tell that I did that with a product because it looks so natural. The color is like a natural shadow, just really goes with the skin. from the texture to the shade. Wow. Like my cheek just looks more narrow. You can see. I mean, that's exactly what you want to achieve with your contour and highlight. And this really was so quick and easy to do. Well, this is awesome. Let's go ahead and try it on the other side, and maybe I'll blend it out with a brush. And maybe for the fun of it, I'll do a little nose contour. I don't usually contour the nose too much, but go a little bit on the sides and down the front. Now to highlight. I really like how it blended out with the sponge, but just to try something different, I'm gonna go in with this buffing brush, and let's see how this does. Ooh. I like this technique too. I almost feel like with the brush, I get a little bit more pigment, like it's a little bit darker as I'm buffing it out with the brush. So maybe if I wanted to build it up a bit more, like I can use less product to do so with the brush, because you can see like with the sponge versus with the brush, this side looks a little bit more bronzy. But wow, I can't get over how smooth and skin-like and so easy to blend this is. Love that. Wow, I really like this brush technique too. That works so nicely. Ooh, I like that nose contour. Nose contours kind of intimidate me, but that was super easy. And a nice subtle look that kind of goes with the rest of the face too. Highlights. Wow. I really have to say that this did exactly what I was hoping it would do. It really did transform my face, gave so much more dimension and life into my skin. I was not actually wearing foundation before this. I had on a little bit of concealer, but this kind of gives almost the illusion of wearing foundation, because I feel like it really helped to kind of enhance the complexion and the glow to my skin too. It's such a healthy, radiant finish, so creamy. Wow. This is one of my new favorite products. I don't have a current cream contour and highlighter that I'm using. Currently I'm using in my daily makeup routine a powder version, but this is going to be a new go-to daily product for me because it's so easy, but so beautiful. I am obsessed with the results right now. I highly recommend this. I think they also might make like a blush version, which now I definitely need to get since I love the contour highlight version. So if you've tried that, let me know if it's just as good as this one here. This just really exceeded my expectations. It's everything I could want in my contour and highlight product. I cannot stop looking at my radiant glow complexion contoured face right now. I just wish this was natural, but at least I can quickly and easily achieve it with that product. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.